Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I'm here to share this journal with you. It was a custom order and it's 9 by something. Oh my goodness. 9 by almost 6 with a 1.5-inch spine and has 3 signatures in it, and has book corners, and this is some upholstery fabric samples that I have, and I did a hidden spine inside. I love this, and a seam binding or organza ribbon closure with the eyelets. And my dog is going to throw a fit. That is so crazy. Anyways. Okay, sorry about that. I had to go let him in because he'll bark the whole time. And I just did this little book plate type of thing on here. Put it on some corrugated paper. And this is just some little dangling bead stuff that I had in my stash. I really think it's so cute on there. And the kits if I used in here is like Pink Monarch prints, Artie Mae's, My Porch prints. Those 3 are the main ones that I know I used in here. And yeah, let's get into it real quick. This was a book that she wanted a book that she can put all of her stuff in, so I did not stuff all the pockets like with a lot of stuff. I just put something in them, so, you know, just because I couldn't help myself. So she can take all the stuff I put in out if she wanted to. But, yeah, I'll just flip through it really quick because you already know who's all in here. And this is just a tag that I made. And I put that in there, and there's a little tuck spot back here, and I just did some collaging on that little glassine bag there, and a little pocket here with a little cluster up there, another little tag I did some cluster on. I couldn't help myself, I had to put some stuff in here just because. Another little layering tuck spot there with a couple little tags. Did some Edith Holden page. Most everything is coffee dyed. Most everything. And this is Artie Mae's and Tracy Fox tag, I believe. Just did a little cluster right there. And on this paper, just did some extra washi tape on the spine of this because I didn't want it to rip, and because it's very old paper. And over here I just did like kind of like my flip flap books. I just did some, it's a little magnetized thing right here, and I used some envelopes up, and I did a little tuck spot right here. Get in there. I don't think I did one there. Nope, just a tuck spot here and another little envelope here, which it has. I didn't put anything inside the envelope, but she can. Oopsie, I just shoved that down there. And it has another tuck spot right there. Come on, hands. And a tuck spot under here. I tried to make her a lot of tuck spots and things. And there's a big tuck spot back there and one inside. So there's a lot of tucks for things in this little pocket spot. And she can add more tuck spots too if she wanted to. Like she could put one right here if she wanted. And over here, here's a little belly band tuck spot here, belly band there. Big tag I made here. Over here is another tuck spot. I think these are so pretty. I love those. A little cluster. Edith Holden. Another little tuck spot I made right there. I love that one. I don't know why, but I think it's so cute. And over here, there's 2 pockets. One here and one behind. And I just put these cute little tags inside here. And this one I made back here. Come on. It's early in the morning and my hands are not wanting to cooperate. I am just tired today. Had a long day yesterday. And here we have, this is an original piece of ephemera here. And this is a little pocket with a card inside. This time I didn't glue it in. So there's a little pocket here and a pocket on the top. And then this one flips up and there's a pocket behind it. And then that just holds that down, and you put these in here and it holds the top pocket down like that. And I just added the little things to make it, I don't know, look like little metal pieces on there. Something different. A little cluster here with a big old bag for tucking. Over here's another couple envelopes. This one has a tuck spot here. And flip open, you can tuck inside there in a little cluster, and then you flip it open, and there's a tuck spot here, and there's also one inside the envelope. And that's that. Some more envelopes used up. I have tons of envelopes. And then there's a little tuck spot right here. I just love that little cluster spot there too. Like so. And I love this page, so pretty. Tuck spot back here. I love this. I love that. And tuck spot back here. Oh, I think this one is, oh my word, come on. There we go. I think that's Tsunami Rose. And tuck spot back here with this cute tag I made. I love this cluster too. I should have made it as a pocket, but I didn't. And over here is another tuck spot. I love that one too. I had fun making those. And Trina made this one, and it's a little tuck spot back there. Oopsie. Little tuck spot here. And over here on this part of the bag, I made him a tuck spot cluster and tucked those inside there. Oops, I gotta do one at a time. Like that. And then, of course, she can put stuff inside the bag. Over here is a big tuck spot. I don't know when to call them tuck spots or when to call them pockets. And there's another one. And here is a big bag. And inside I put this big piece of ephemera. Get in there. I have too much stuff on my desk, sorry. You can tuck behind it, and also right here. She can either tuck something in this one or down here. I just tucked it in both like that. And let's see. This envelope comes completely off, but I'm not going to take it off right now. And, well, yeah, I am. Because this is a tuck spot here. And you have a little pocket there, tuck spot, and you can put stuff inside. And then right here, this whole thing comes off, but you can also tuck back here. And let me see. Right here is also a tuck spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tuck spots in this one. And I didn't make one on the top. No. I did not. I don't know why I put the little paper clip on there, but I did just for something to look at, I guess. For texture wise, because I like different things to touch. And the trim on here is from the dollar store. Here's another little spot here. And I put a couple little tabs on as well. Authentic ledger. And over here is a vellum pocket. Tim Holtz vellum. Another tag that I did some collaging on. And the vintage music. Over here is another tuck spot. And here's another little envelope flip flap thing here. I love this, so cute. And it's got a bunch of tuck spots, pockets. And this one opens. And another one here. Another one here. And one back there. And one back here. We got them everywhere. And that one magnetizes shut. And over here, we have two more of these little pockets. Super cute. And I just added these tags inside. These go in the back. These in the front. Or whatever you want them to be. I just tucked them wherever I wanted them to go. Let's do this because that is on that side. I don't want the same numbers in the same spots. Here, let's go like this. There we go. I'm spaz. I could have made it with a tuck spot there, but then it would have covered up that, so I didn't do that. And over here is a tuck spot, and we also have a tuck spot right here. Maybe I'll just leave that in there so she'll know that there's a tuck spot there. And here, whoops, oh, I forgot what I did. Oh my goodness. This, anyways, if I remember what I do, there's a little tuck spot here, and we added this little card there. And then this decorative, I seen somebody do this, and I can't remember who did it, but she can put stuff inside this envelope right here. And I just did some stenciling on there, and then I tucked it in there and did this little flap and just tucked it, if I can get my hands to work this morning, inside the butterfly like that. And then you can tuck stuff underneath this away if you wanted. I thought that was cute. And then a little pocket here. And let's see, a pocket here. Did some collaging there. I love this burnt looking paper. Another pocket here with a Cory cluster there. That's what I'm going to call those. And another pocket back here. And that is this little chunky monkey. I love the way this one turned out. I absolutely love it. I am going to try to do a tutorial video on my flip-flap journals that I make. I probably won't decorate it, but I'll show you how I construct the whole situation. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you aren't. If you are already, thank you so very much. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.